Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to remove permanent marker from your table. So here you can see I just take a permanent marker and this is my table. So now I try to write something on my table. So here you can see I just write something on my table with permanent marker. So now I just try to remove this. Here you can see I try to remove this, but it's not remove. So for that, if you want to remove this, you just need a perfume or body spray. You can use anything. After use your perfume, just open on this and spray over this marker. And after spray on here, you just need to wait few moments. Just few moments, you just need to wait, and after that you can see it's already going to liquid. Now you just need to take a cloth on your hand and now try to remove this. There you can see it's almost going. Again you need to spray over here, and you need to again wait for few moments, and after that you can see now it's all also going for removing. And after wait few moments, again take your cloth and try to remove it. Okay, here you can see your permanent marker already removed from your table. So I hope you can understand and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.